You're welcome back to another class, and today you'll be learning how to play this popular worship song, Holy Forever, originally by Chris Tomlin, but I'll be teaching you how to play the live version of CeCe Winans, okay? And here we are on the key of F major. And the song is pretty simple. You'll be learning how to play with a full band. So peradventure, you are to play with a full band in church or anywhere you have to play this song. I mean this version. You learn how to play this. All right. So let's go. We are on the key of F major. And we're going to break it into segments: the intro, the verse, the chorus, and then the bridge, and we're done with this particular song. So the intro starts with this melody. That's mi do la. Okay, so we have mi do la. So when you hit this la note, you play chord 4. So we have this. Again, that's chord 4. Okay. Then the second melody we have mi do re. Okay. Mi do re. First is mi do la. Mi do re. Second one. Then the third one, re ti so. Okay, then re ti do. So I'm going to play the melody alone. Mi do la. Mi do re. Re ti so. Re ti do. So that's the melody part that the pianist played on his right hand. Then let's check the chords on the left hand. So we have on your left hand you are doing this movement, chord 4, then on the do notes you are playing a chord 6. It's more like a passing chord to the chord 6. Okay, so mi do on your left you are playing a chord 6, and then when you go to re you play a chord 5. Okay, then let's continue. On the re ti so, on the so you play 3, a power chord, and that makes we are playing an A minor chord. Then the next one, then you go to the chord 6. So you have this pam 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 pam, chord 3, pam pam pam, then you resolved to the 5 and then to the 1. So let's play this together slowly. Then back to the 1. So that is it for the intro. By the way, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are learning something on this channel, right, let me know. Comment what you've learned or what you're learning at the moment on this channel. All right, so that's the intro. I'll play the intro again. Now let's go back to the verse. So after then, so we have chord 1, pam pam, chord 1, pam pam pam, chord 4, chord 1. Okay, so we have chord 4, chord chord 1, chord 4, chord 1, chord 6, chord 5, chord 4. We go again. Chord 1, chord 4, chord 1, chord 6, chord 5. Okay, so I'll play both the melody and the chords together so you understand the context of this. Again. I'll go again once more. So from there we head over to the chorus. Okay, we head over to the chorus. So we have chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, 5, 1. I'll play it again. Chord 4, chord 5, chord 6. So it was repeated twice again. Then the second instant, instead of ending on chord 6, they now did this chord 6, chord 5, then to chord 2, and that's the transition to the bridge. Okay, I'll play the chorus, then transition to the bridge again. Then from here we have and the angels cry. Chord 4. So we have chord 4. Now you have to pay attention to this timing, and it's very essential, especially when playing CCM music. I mean. So the chord 6 is being used as a passing to the chord 5 from 4, 6, 5. Okay, so we have do, re, mi, do, la, mi, do, re. Now look at this voicing, just simple triad chords. Do, re, mi, do, la, mi, do, re. Okay, then ti, do, re, ti, so, chord 3. Re, ti, do, re, mi, do, va, chord 2, va, mi, re, chord 5, re, mi, va, va, mi. Back to chord 1, I'll play it again. Do, re, mi, do, la, chord 4, mi 6 5 ti di re ti so chord 3 re ti chord 6 then do re mi do va chord 2 va mi re chord 5 re mi va va mi. So everything from the beginning to that point, that's all for the song. We have a 1 2 3 4 go. That's the intro. Again. Then the chorus. Chord 5, chord 6, chord 4, chord 4, chord 6, chord 2, then, right? Chord 2, so this is pretty simple. You have triad chords, simple triad chords all through the song, and this is a pretty simple song but really powerful song. If you play it this way, we've learned something from this particular breakdown. Like I said, this is the version of CeCe Winans, the one it was a live performance. Okay, so this is it. If you are new to the channel, like I said, kindly subscribe to the channel, and more so if you would want to if you would want to join a closed group where you have access to structured lessons. I mean, whether you're a beginner or you are in the late beginner stage trying to transition into the early intermediate level. Okay, I have a package for you, a learning package for you. Although it's a paid class, but I guarantee it's going to accelerate your growth, and your play is going to change. You are going to learn both theory and practicals, applications of things in a structured and well composed way. All right. So if you would like to be part of it, kindly message me on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen, and so that you get more information on how to join this class. All right. I'll see you in another class. Thank you once more. I'll just play this for you. All right. See you.